Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing a new alternator and a new alternator belt on the Mazda Miata. So let me show you what the old one looks like. Here we go. So this is the old one. As you guys can see, it's covered in dirt and gunk and all types of black stuff. And then we have the new one right here, all clean, everything. So I tried putting it in and it won't fit, but I measured these 2 points to the older one. They're the same. So what I tried was I had to loosen 2 of these screws, and yeah, I think it should fit right in afterwards. So let's do that, and then we'll put it in the engine bay. So I already loosened them a little bit, so we don't have to take it out fully, just enough that this comes out a little bit and it'll fit where it's supposed to go. Okay, and this is the bolt that goes right through here all the way down, which holds the alternator in place. So we're gonna have to put that in. So that's where the alternator is supposed to go. So let's put it in. There we go. So the big screw that we put in the alternator also has a bolt that goes in the back. So this basically acts as a tensioner. So this block will go behind this thing right here. So like if you guys move the alternator down, it moves with it. So depending on how tight you want it to be. So I'm just gonna put some anti-seize on this. Okay guys, so a little bit of progress. I got the belt to go on. So what I did was I pushed the alternator all the way near the engine, and then I put the belt on this one first, pushed it inside from here, and this was coming in the way, so make sure this is all tucked in properly to the inside one, and all the way there, then it goes to the alternator. So now all I have to do is tighten the 2 bolts. There's the tensioner bolt right here, and then there's another one, that one right there, that goes in the back. So I'm gonna tighten that, tighten the tensioner bolt, and then this is good to go. And then just plug in the ground cable right there, which is connected to a plug that goes in the alternator, and then we're done. So as I tighten the tensioner bolt, you guys will see the alternator moving away from the engine. Now we're gonna put the power steering belt on, and this is the tensioner for it. So it works basically the same as the alternator tensioner. You know, you want to tighten this part to move it up and down, and then this part to lock it in place. So this belt has teeth in it, that's why it'll line up with all these. There we go. Okay, so I tightened this bolt right here and this one here, and now there's a 14mm that goes in here, so we have to tighten that, which connects to here. Then we should be able to start the car. Alright guys, I put together everything. Hopefully nothing breaks. We're ready to start it. The battery is in there. We just have it charging from another car, so I'm gonna try to start it and let's see. Hopefully it doesn't blow up. Alright guys, so we got the Miata started. Finally, let's get it. So, the only thing is, there was a little bit of a coolant leak, which I'll show you right now. As you can see, there's some coolant there on the driveway. So basically, it was from the thermostat pipe. The clamp is a little bit loose on it, so I put a zip tie for now, and the car starts and everything, just needs to be jumped. So I think the battery, I gotta put it on the trickle charger. And there's a little bit of a grinding noise coming. I'm not sure where it's from, but I think so. That black thing over there, I think it's rubbing against the pulley over there and it's making the grinding noise. I tried to move it out of the place, but it wouldn't even budge a little bit. Now, since the battery has been out of the car for so long, it's not starting unless we jump it. But yeah, that was today's goal, to install the new alternator and the new belt. I think I didn't film too much about it because it was just me filming by myself and working on the car by myself. So it was a little bit harder, but I did try to tell you guys where I had some of the problems or what bolts and nuts need to be tightened. So hopefully it'll help you guys if you're trying to install it yourself. And yeah, the car starts. I started like 3-4 times, like jumped it 3-4 times. The belts are good, they're pretty tight, which I'll show you right now. So that's the one belt that I installed. So see, very little play, so that's good, tight enough. Yeah, so this one's no play either, like I'm trying to push it, but so yeah, that's the goal you're trying to go for. And the intake just had a screw there, a nut here, a screw here, and then there's this pipe that comes out that you gotta install, comes here, connects here, so that's one of the screws. And basically everything just connects by itself. You got a clamp here, and this pipe comes out when you take off the intake, and this pipe comes off, so make sure you guys install that. And there's a clamp here, so pretty straightforward. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you guys are enjoying the Miata series. Next video, we're installing new spark plugs and spark plug wires. So the blue wires are gonna be gone next week, and new spark plugs, and we'll do an oil change and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. If you guys are enjoying the videos, please hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what else you want to see on the Miata. I'm just trying to get it on the road right now, get it registered and stuff, and then we're gonna start ordering like tires, wheels, and all that stuff, and exhaust, and you know, and new headlights, all that. So stay tuned, subscribe so you don't miss any of the new videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.